The problem then came on the following day. When the following day, this letter or the content of my engagement with him appeared in the social media somewhere, that I threatened the minister of police with arrest and so forth, because I had said that if this is going to be implemented like this, the minister will be accused of crime, and that might end up bad to us as a minister. So let's fix this. That was the exact same day when this letter was leaked. So unfortunately, the following day after talking to Mr. Nkabinde, the conversation between me and him was twisted somehow in the social media, but it landed in the social media. So then we had a conversation the following day where he said to me he believes his phone was somehow been tapped by someone was listening to our conversation and so forth. He did not share the conversation with anyone. So that's when I started asking myself questions about Nkabinde himself. Because I'm engaging with him a day before, the following day, our conversation is on social media. It made me realize that perhaps he's the one that leaked it. Honorable Chair and members, I then am not going to talk much about what I became aware of most recently, that indeed Nkabinde was instructed to record me.